Hey Blipsounds, it's Brian Seeley back for the July sound design competition. We're getting started a little late this time around because of extending June's competition and then getting late with that video. So we will be starting the competition Monday, July 8th, and we will run to Thursday, July 26th, with the competition ending at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This time around, we're going to make it pretty simple. We're going to do the Mario Flood attack from Smash Brothers, which you can see that video here. If you saw about a few months ago on our YouTube channel, Ryan showed how he recreated that very same attack. So if you'd like to see some tips and tricks on what he did, check out that video. There'll be a link somewhere around where you can see that original video. This is an easy one this time around to make up for the fact that it's a short one, and we had a couple difficult challenges the last couple of months. So this one should be fairly simple and fairly fun, and I hope to see a lot of you engage with it and try your hands out. If you've never entered a competition before, or you're wondering if you have the skills to be a part of it, this is a great one to jump in on because it's fun, it's simple, and it's the summertime and you get to play with water. So what could be better than that? As always, you need to be the one responsible for recording all of these sounds, nothing from any libraries or anything like that. Given that this is predominantly a water attack, we doubt you'll need much in the way of synth, so we really encourage you guys to try making your own sounds for this one. I hope you guys have a great month. If you have any questions, join us on our Discord page if you have any questions, hang out with us on our Discord page and we'll be happy to answer all of them. As always, I hope you guys have fun and I will see you all in Discord.